So demographically, we know most ortho patients are teenagers, somewhere in that age range that they traditionally don't have the best track record for taking care of their mouth. A lot of ortho patients face excessive buildup around those wires. That's why dental professionals love Oracare for Ortho.
Ortho patients are some of the most challenging patients that you have. They're typically teenage aged and they struggle with hygiene, brushing and flossing. Now you add bracket and wires on top of that, it's even more impossible for them to keep clean, as well as me as a dental hygienist. So giving them a rinse to use every single day helps improve their hygiene, which ultimately improves their outcome of their treatment. Having less plaque build up on their teeth while they have the appliance in there is so important, because if not, you get all of that scarring, that decalcification, and the breakdown. Using Oracare as a rinse and its ability to break through that plaque is huge. So even giving it to patients who don't have the best hygiene on a day-to-day basis, its potential is maximized with ortho patients because there's so much more work to do with them. So a rinse is so critical for an ortho patient to be using day to day.